Hello and welcome back to Microbial Concepts. So today's topic is pass box. What is pass box? So in pharmaceutical industries or in food industries where the material has to be passed from one room to another to avoid contamination, pass box are used. Okay, so we are going to learn about pass box today. So pass box is one of the clean room system. Okay, what is clean room? Clean room is the area where all the processes in the industries they are done. It has controlled environment. The number of particles which settle or which enters the room, everything is controlled. Okay, so that's the reason why the clean room systems, the chances of contamination, we have to avoid those, and that's the reason clean room systems are made. Okay, so it is one of the clean room systems which is used to transfer material from one side to the other side through controlled environment in order to avoid airborne cross contamination. Okay, that's the main role or the function of pass box. Another function you can just list out is in case of say microbiology lab where pass box are used to avoid any glass breakage or to avoid any kind of accidents while carrying the glasswares or the media or the hot media flask. To avoid that, even after autoclaving, the material is passed through pass box. Okay, so both the purpose in case of microbiology lab are served, that is to avoid any breakage or any accidents and to avoid cross contamination. Okay, then the primary and only work of pass box is to pass material from one side to the other side without raising any contamination concern, and if any particulate matter presents on the material surface, then it swipes away during the operation. How? Because there are UV lights present in the pass box, so when you pass the material, the contamination, it swipes away through the UV sterilization. Okay, or UV disinfection. So there are interlocking door mechanism present in the pass box. So there are two doors, one door which opens towards the one room and other one that opens towards the other room. Okay, so it helps easy passage of your material. Now the interlocking door mechanism is the prime feature of the pass box. So when door at one side is open, the door at the other side remains closed. Okay, you cannot open both the interlocking door at the same time, as you have to avoid, or the main purpose here to avoid the cross contamination. So say if the pass box is between a non clean room or say um, a normal room where everything is done, that is autoclaving or the washing is done, or the staff which is present in the microbiology lab, it sits there, it works there. Okay, so the normal room, if the pass box is between normal room and a clean room or the controlled room, then what happens if you try to open both the doors, the contamination can easily pass through the open doors of the pass box. Okay, so that's the main reason when one door is open, another door cannot be opened in case of pass box. Okay, so pass box is popular with the other names such as clean room pass through, clean transfer window, and transfer hatch. In addition, it is widely used in microbiology laboratories in food, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. Okay, then a pass box is designed in two different types, that is a static pass box and a dynamic pass box. Okay, so now before moving towards the types, just the definition here about clean room to those who are not aware with this term. So clean room is a room with a defined concentration of airborne particles. Okay, that is designed and used in a way that the number of particles introduced into the room or originating and being deposited in the room is small. Okay, as small as possible, in which the other cleanliness relevant parameters such as temperature, humidity, pressure are also controlled as required. Okay, so the environment is suchly not suchly the environment is such organized and such controlled that the contamination levels, we are trying to minimize them as possible as we can. Okay, Then about the types of pass box. So this is the pass box, general pass box diagram. So you can see here, number 1 is the HEPA filter. Number 2 is the control panel, which controls the opening of the door. Okay. And then there is third is the UV light. Then fourth is the door handle. Then electromagnetic lock is the fifth part here. And the sixth one is magnetic gauze. And seventh is the um, pre-filter. Okay, so that is the diagram of the pass box. Now this is how the pass box actually looks. It is made of stainless steel. Okay, so you can see here there is the control panel. Inside there is the white light and UV light, both the lights are present. And then there is the door handle. There is a window also present so that you can see whether the material is passed to the other room or not, or the person needs anything, then you can pass it from this one room to the another room. Okay, then the type. So DPB, that is dynamic pass box, is fitted between the classified and non-classified area. Okay, so as I told you, the classified area is one where the environment is highly controlled, and non-classified area is where the environment is not controlled. Okay, so in such two rooms, when the material has to be passed, dynamic pass box is used. Okay, and the material is passed through vertically HEPA filtered air. Then the static pass box is one, on the other hand, is fitted only between two clean room areas and has no air supply or extract, as it is uh, installed between two clean rooms, so there is no air supply or extract or any kind of HEPA filter. Then it is also known as passive pass box, and it is equipped with UV light. Okay, so these are the types of pass box. So this is how you can, or if you start working in a pharmaceutical industry, then you should know what this is. So this is how it looks, this is how it is installed. So it makes easy for the person to pass the material easily from one room to the another. Okay, so you can see there are total three rooms, the one behind this pass box, one behind this pass box, and this particular room. So between these three rooms, two pass box are installed, and it makes easy for the person to work um, by avoiding or by minimizing the contamination. Okay, so this is all about the pass box. So I hope the concept of pass box is clear to you. So do like my videos, do share my videos with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.